In today's electronics manufacturing industry, printed circuit boards, or PCBs, form the foundation of most electrical and electronic products. From consumer electronics to industrial equipment, automotive, and automation systems, PCB quality directly determines product reliability. In the PCB production process, the wave soldering machine plays a critical role in soldering through-hole components onto the circuit board. The PCB is preheated and then conveyed through molten solder waves to form uniform and reliable solder joints. However, the temperature of the solder bath and preheating zones must be precisely controlled. Even a slight temperature deviation can result in solder defects, pad lifting, or reduced PCB quality. To maintain stable temperature control in wave soldering machines, the KXA Series temperature controller provides an effective solution. KXA is used to control the solder bath temperature and heating system, ensuring stable and consistent thermal conditions. With auto-tuning PID combined with ARW control, KXA responds quickly to temperature fluctuations and maintains stability throughout operation. The controller supports both heating and cooling control modes, making it suitable for various wave soldering machine configurations. With high control accuracy of up to plus or minus 0.3% FS, KXA helps reduce soldering defects, improve PCB quality, and enhance overall production reliability. Its large high-visibility LED display and compact 65mm depth design allow for easy installation inside control panels. KXA Series, a reliable temperature control solution for wave soldering machines. Thank you for watching Hanyoung Nux Việt Nam. We look forward to sharing more practical industrial solutions in our next videos.